Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making Cracker Barrel hash brown casserole in the Ninja Foodi. Okay guys, I'm starting out here in a bowl and I have one small onion I diced up. To that I'm going to add in a can of cheddar cheese soup. This is a 10.5 ounce can. And for you folks that aren't familiar with Cracker Barrel, what Cracker Barrel is, it's a family style sit down restaurant here on the East Coast. I don't know if you guys have them on the West Coast, but we have them here. And this is a copycat version of their hash brown casserole. And if you don't have a Ninja Foodi, guys, or an Instant Pot with an air fryer, you can very easily do this in the oven. I also have a 10.5 ounce can of cream of chicken soup. Let me get that in there. And guys, this is really easy to put together. It's no trouble at all. I'm using this as a side dish. I'm going to make some cube stick to go with it. Okay, we're looking good, guys. Now let me grab a spoon for the sour cream so I don't get my sour cream all messed up, because this is a 2-cup container and I'm only putting in 1 cup. So I'm going to eyeball the sour cream. Guys, I don't do sour cream on tacos and stuff like that. I just don't care for it. But in cooking, I don't mind it because you really can't taste the sour cream. And I'm also going to add in 1 cup of cheddar cheese, shredded cheddar cheese. And I probably have a little over a cup here, but that's alright. A little extra cheese never hurt anybody. I'm going to go ahead and stir this all together. After I get it all stirred together, I'm going to set it aside just for now. Okay guys, now I have my soup mixture mixed up and set aside. In my Ninja Foodi, I'm going to spray some cooking spray in the pot. Even though it's non-stick, this is going to help it out some. And my bottle's going empty, guys. I have another can in there. Use this one up first. Alright, now I have a 30 ounce bag of frozen hash browns. I'm going to dump them down in there. And I'll break up that big clump that's frozen together there, guys. Let's get in here and try not to get them all over your kitchen. Get in there and break them up. Alright, we're looking good. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to dump my soup mixture down over top of my hash browns. And guys, this is going to be really good. You could also add some meat to it and just eat this as a casserole by itself. But like I said, we're doing it by the Cracker Barrel and Country Cupboard Cracker Barrel recipe, or as close as the copycat version is. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to mix my cheese and soup mixture in with the hash browns. Just want to mix it in there well, because as this bakes, it's going to meld all that down into the hash browns. Alright, we're looking pretty good there. I'm just going to level this out a little bit. Now I'm going to add a little more cheese on top. This is optional, but I'm going to do it anyways, guys. Just a little bit. And let me clean off the edge of my pot, just in case if that rests on the air fryer, but I don't want it getting gummed up. Alright, now I'm going to turn on my power, and I'm going to set this on the bake function. And we're going to set it at 350 for 20 minutes. Now if you do this in your regular oven, if you don't have a convection oven, you're probably going to want to do it for about a half hour to 40 minutes. Keep an eye on it until it gets nice and golden brown. Alright, when my 20 minutes are up, we'll pull this out and we'll see what we got. Alright guys, this is done. You see how nice and golden brown and cheesy that is. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Alright guys, let me get in there and try that. You see it's nice and crispy, and I garnished it with some green onion, guys. See, it's nice and creamy. That's really good, guys. Taste that onion in there, the cheese. Really good and cheesy. It was really easy. Right there you have it, guys. Cracker Barrel hash brown casserole in the Ninja Foodi. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.